In the tumult of modern life, the ancient wisdom of Stoicism shines like a beacon. Let's explore 9 Stoic practices that promise tranquility amidst chaos. Man is disturbed not by things, but by the views he takes of them, said Epictetus. Recognize what's within your control, your opinions, desires, and aversions. Embrace this, and you'll find happiness regardless of circumstance. Seneca warned, "We're tight-fisted with property and money, yet think too little of wasting time." Time is irreplaceable. Use it wisely, lest you find yourself rich in regret. Marcus Aurelius pondered why we value others' opinions over our own. True freedom comes from living on your terms, not from the fleeting approval of others. If a person doesn't know to which port they sail, no wind is favorable, Seneca observed. In a world brimming with choices, define your destination and sail forth with purpose. Epictetus chided those who think they know it all. In an ever-changing universe, remain a perpetual student. The wise know that learning never ceases. No man was ever wise by chance, Seneca reflected. Journaling brings clarity and self-accountability. Let your thoughts flow onto paper and discover your inner wisdom. Cato's unyielding stance on virtue reminds us, if you stand for nothing, you'll fall for everything. Define your principles and hold them dear. Seneca's Premeditatio Malorum teaches us to anticipate the worst. By doing so, we prepare for success and arm ourselves against failure. Alexander the Great and his mule driver both died, and the same thing happened to both, Marcus Aurelius mused. Remember, in the end, we all share the same fate. What endures is how we live, not what we leave behind.